Hi everyone! Yaki curry is Japanese-style curry rice, topped with cheese and baked until golden and bubbly. It's a relatively new dish, but has been gaining popularity in Japan in recent years. So let's get started. Purchase a box of Japanese curry of your choice. Most standard size will come in 2 separate pods like this. I'm going to use one pod for this tutorial, but will post a recipe for the entire box. Break the curry into 4 pieces, then peel the foil. Cut the onion into thin slices, and cut the meat against the grain as thin as you can. To do this easily, freeze the meat for 1 to 2 hours beforehand. Melt the butter in a large pot and sauté the onions over medium-high heat until it's caramelized. Add the beef and sauté for a couple minutes until just browned. Now add water and bring to a boil. Then add the curry and turn off the heat. Dissolve the curry, then turn the heat back on to medium-high, add pepper to taste, and let the curry simmer for 5 minutes to thicken. This part is optional. If you want a sweeter, fruitier, and tangy curry, add in ketchup and tonkatsu sauce in the last few minutes of cooking. In an oven-safe dish, layer in rice and ladle in generous amount of curry. Sprinkle on mozzarella cheese, or in my case, an avalanche, and bake at 450 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden and bubbly. Thanks for watching! Happy days!